If Telegram videos aren't playing on your iPhone or Android, whether they won't start or they begin but stop unexpectedly, here's how to fix the issue. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First, ensure your internet is working properly. 1. Open a web browser and search for speed test. 2. Run the speed test to check if your connection is fast and stable. 3. If your internet is slow or unstable, try switching to Wi-Fi or a different network. Step 2. Check if Telegram is down. If your internet is fine, Telegram itself might be having issues. 1. Search, "Is Telegram down?" in your web browser. 2. Visit Down Detector and check if there's a spike in reported outages. 3. If there's a major outage, you'll need to wait for Telegram to resolve it. Step 3. Clear cache and update Telegram. If the issue isn't with your internet or Telegram servers, try offloading and reinstalling the app. 1. Open your phone settings. 2. Scroll down and tap General on iPhone or Apps on Android. 3. Select iPhone storage or App storage on Android. 5. Find and tap on Telegram from the list. Choose Offload App, iPhone, or Clear Cache, Android, then reinstall the app. This will remove temporary files and force update Telegram to the latest version. Step 4. Open the video in a web browser. If the video still won't play, 1. Tap the 3 dots at the top right corner of the video. 2. Select Open In, then choose Google Chrome or another browser. 3. If it's a YouTube video or third-party hosted, it should play from there. After following these steps, your Telegram videos should be working again. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.